I will say to the investors, you have a huge opportunity here. What we announced today is a clear intention of a government that is saying we want your capital here in the region. And we will do whatever it takes to make sure that you are successful. Whether that's lowering the cost of doing business, looking at declaring Niagara an economic development zone, investing into transit, infrastructure, whatever the case is, and working with you to make sure that you have certainty in what we're doing here, and you have clarity over the vision of what we're trying to build. And we have that here. This is a world-known natural wonder. It is on the doorstep of millions of people. In fact, 26% of the country's population lives in the Greater Golden Horseshoe, which we have access to. You're talking about opening up international markets, and you're talking about opening up a gaming market that has been shut previously for decades.